This nightmare is familiar to anyone who grows grapes. Yesterday the vines were green, and today there are yellow spots, a white coating, and a crop that turns into a mummy. This is downy mildew. But did you know that its causative agent isn't even the flu? It's a mycetes, a relative of diatoms with a unique biochemistry and attack tactics. And if you fight it like a common fungus, you've lost before you even start. Today, we'll conduct a scientific investigation. You'll learn where downy mildew comes from and why some years are full of downy mildew and others aren't. How to diagnose it in 3 seconds without a microscope and avoid confusing it with adium. What works as an emergency aid, and what sets the tone for a year ahead. And most importantly, is there protection without 30 treatments per season? Get comfortable, we're going to dive deep. The causes of downy mildew. Reason 1. The mildew pathogen overwinters not in the soil, but in fallen leaves that we were too lazy to remove in the fall. Each leaf contains tens of thousands of asspores. These aren't ordinary spores, but dormant structures with a 3-layer wall that can withstand temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius. Reason 2. Mildew spores cannot fly. They require liquid drippings, rain, fog, and heavy dew. This isn't just background moisture, but the pathogen's transport system. Without water, infection doesn't occur. Reason 3. Asspores germinate at average daily temperatures above 8 degrees Celsius, but this isn't enough. 3 days with temperatures above 11 degrees Celsius and at least 10 millimeters of rain in the last 24 hours are needed. This is the classic rule of 3/8. Only then does primary infection become inevitable. Reason 4. Research by the North Caucasus Federal Center shows that the average temperature in the Anatolia zone has risen by 4.5 degrees Celsius. This means the pathogen has become more active at higher temperatures. The pathogenic period has lengthened. Mildyu now attacks not only leaves but also combs, berries in the later stages, and young shoots, which was rarely observed before.